Abuja for NDC abayin the HSS cameras egumu no 50 President Mahama so. ABC the least person na owo polling station ohun nyina scammers chese ke on etaban die.
I this didn't kwa dia we doctor. Uju wa Dr. Davi me togobe. Dr. Wachera.
Abusiafo ade no aye hu o. Ba bi aduru no ade na ye hu.
Malik Basintale rana be defended fake certificates no come and defend it.
Yeah. I need someone. Already na me.
NTS comedian no so the nipa ba kwa na so aye hye pass CA. Malik Basintale YEA CEO, that is Youth Employment Agency, Omu Chief Executive Organizer. Malik Basintale is na so aye hye pa TikTokers for no fire no come agent. Ni nyina aye. The master degree kura na busia say e fake. Malik you go school bias one man who master's degree and ukura no dey mensem abusia ne to atwi ama social media matman ka hawe no so dey omo fire ne pa aha Penyah block media mesra say ne dey obe like video na download ma obo subscribe to the cyber click notification on the latest update na be chere wa adwen dia ma me e go comment section so baso a no ahye video for so enya bi ahye edu 24 what na ko mu na NDC now one of their vibrant communicators Malik Basintale or Kasai pa baby with sharp teeth. Malik Basintale kasa pay or kasa dwanum. No say to trust them. She won a so guy near you on a so more. Emma election time crown or threaten some police officer be crack at and say me ba benwa. You lose your position. Your position will change. That time no. Now you are promising Malik Basintale says NDC ever officer. Ono be chosen as special prosecutor. Ono be chosen as special prosecutor. No I chairman for internet say edani trimu. I say na or they born hosa for hen do pe e Ghana krom ha no mu say hwe bia to ba wie ye ene ne Mahama ere ne ye Mahama we dey say obi say ne Malik Basintale ni picture start go viral or na be teach amanfo obeye se yan kwate na ho say Mahama e ma the position as YEA president YEA acting CEO, that is Youth Employment Agency or be say ye be nyuma ama mabunu ne bia ye ene adeade na nansemu ana eba media so be kaya e started say e FIFA 2 na ni si sansan ni dali oni ka bitera anu wo expose by say ko ba say sansan ni dali kura no the doctorate ina wo ina e fake onye doctor on call medical school bia ba bia da expose na eba enu say emu ana Rashid Tanko computer so also so a PhD holder also from the final say also man for exposing as on call school the other enti Malik Basintale and man for just say there be Malik ya kai pass no the cool school but what can say ukra who your master's degree holder and you try answer that cra oh we ni here bay u degree no oh we ni here bay because position at the amount the Ghana have according to your system no so obenya governmental appointment as CEO of any institution, you must be a master's degree holder. That is the basic requirement. You must be a master's degree holder. Enti ya appointing Malik Basintale as YEA CEO no. That's a requirement for us. And then we go into details. Enti more about a copy of Malik Basintale or called UG. That is University of Ghana, Legon. Enti more than a man for your course. Come on, okay. Ya basi ya heard Malik Basintale. What do you do? And so master's degree. I say. Ye mo na mo da master degree e man be yanyi ni e de be see hu to mo try petition e call hold me say o be requested for the credentials e was said mo try we call Johns Hopkins University and Ghana Medical and Dental Council e be expose Sansen Dr. Sansen Deli no say no mo try the call ahanum anum so dey response on the reply e ba no mo try mo say we acknowledge receipt of your letter requesting the University of Ghana to verify the degree purportedly held by Mr. Malik Basintale, who is under consideration for appointment as Chief Executive Officer of the Youth Employment Agency by the President of the Republic of Ghana. Following a review of our records, the document attached to your correspondence, we wish to state as follows. 1. The copy of the degree certificate submitted and attached to your letter was not issued by the University of Ghana and does not conform to the official format and security features of certificate awarded by this institution. 2. Our records indicate that the student identification number referenced in the document does not indeed correspond to a Malik Basintale, who was admitted to the University of Ghana in 2014. However, Malik Basintale has not fulfilled all academic requirements necessary for graduation and, as such, has not been officially awarded a degree by the University of Ghana. We hope this clarification is helpful for your due diligence process. Please do not hesitate to contact us should you require any further information or assistance. According to University of Ghana, Legon, Malik Basintale Ebesumo 2014 by Kobolo. Kobolo ni ampe school ni ade adintino. Unia nwie. Cadet is well new school no. And then you know for certificate ekura no. And odi tu no ho bon ho safun se oko University of Ghana, Legon, ekura ho no master's degree. What I say? I do a pop up on the internet. And I'm going to say, sir, send this for send a motive. Any Munina no, Obia Mahama man appointment, Bia dear. Young Munina, educational background near her said, the program no, a real, and that's a fault because dear customer, I know Eden.
I had this in Quadia where your doctor. Who do I, Dr. Davi me talk about? Dr. Wachera, Dr. Hadia. Yes. Dr. Kwenkwera, oya this in Quadia me for Dr. Canidio. Me bacho Vivian Jail say what the Dr. Vivian Jail. Dr. Kwenkumen. Dr. Bigger Quiz. I this in Biad. One must say Dr. and yet we go so. I said Dr. General Mosquito. I just say, young two doctor you move so you two move so. I'm so never yet to meet you no when you doctor. Yet to meet you will be our faking the PhD. And to meet you fed dog our party bakumu and the 2 weeks. Hey, I do my yabena bro yasu.
Abusiafo ade no aye hu ba bi aduru no ade na ye hu awie na betodwa se Malik Basintale Legon Force ye award degree certificate bi ama no Ghana mamra ne kire se ansa na wo bekwa CEO e wo department bi sa no e wo se wo de wo niema nyina e de ko civil servant civil service wo na omo hwehwe wo nkrata mu na ye hu se nkrata bibia ye kama we no mampanyin mahama Malik Basintale e de niema e de akọ na civil service atwere de akoma Legon Force Malik de ahyemu se okita degree e wo ho na when your friend is saying Legon for reply say 2014 na Malik Basintale eba school wa hade na so kubolo any sabi a bon ne niema binti no abrante no want to be a meet requirement for graduation enti ye yemfa certificate bi ama Malik Basintale they say hey obinka say hey na e be fraud kill net abanie free doctor or ye fake so eno ndan chen yaba benya computer Rashid computer ono so kita fake PhD na ya ye nua me ade a me pesa brand here rise or politics wa say ye be kana she na Malik Basintale sa kiki nyina ne anu nyina no masa degree certificate wuni hey na de ba ki wona ta ban ni menua NDC aban de say or say who NDC ni abrantie bi o NDC hwe ni mienu Malik Basintale anim guasesem ye wera ho hey we na mode mo ho toto ye masa ene me ya proud UCC.
So guys, Malik Basintale was being asked by a journalist that we've heard about a certain fake certificates and other stuff. What do you say about it? Guys, let's go and listen.
There are some who have raised questions around your qualification and all of that. How do you respond to them, especially around your master's degree and all of that?
The biggest qualification to create jobs for the Ghanaian people. Once you do that, I'm qualified to keep serving the Ghanaian people.
Senkaya BP ni pan and fake certificate aba bonti and kadie boy we beye. Malik Basintale ka boy we kadie beye MPP ni no. Have you seen how posterity is judging them one by one? Have you seen how posterity is judging you people? You see, Brana be defended fake certificates. No, come and defend it.
Obimbuamie, Obimbuamie, small bimbuamie, small bimbuamie. I need someone. Already na me. Obi me cheche mu. Yes, Malik Basintale then. Oni degree mpo. Okita degree. Malik Basintale, CEO of YE. Degree kura oni bi. Wow, you can't say NDC party day. You can't fake doctors. It's also Obi a one kita degree and your masters in Malik Basintale one no big dimping for them Wakana. Ekasa don sa bob was to dinsem hunu. Echiacha one 9 years a keno. A dinsem hu Wakana has sent a degree crown kitabi. Degree keke say ya course a kwa yen. Bonsi. We see GPA Kurane into degree cramp went me and we. So we know who Becassetti about Salaj Mamudu Baumia. Dr. Large Mamudu Baumia, Uber Bob Cocora setting. On only said take it and Munyepi. Nya who be deep up away at him. I'm saying this is the yampa. A yampa say Mahama Kai and somebody like a young for party. Obiaba a 12-year position, and no one kita degree mpono. With the Akonya YE CEO no. So Penyah no kaseti ya Dr. Large Mamudu Baumia. Unya no kaseti ya nanado adudi. Abro mo set wo degree mpono wo call ya bon. Say wo no wo setting at him didie. Bon say wa bon no degree mpo went me am MBA. We a shameless human being wo. Wajai when na bon and our bon in a wajaya to so I got na radio ni TV e cassette ya Dr. Baumia bra Dr. Baumia set our we had what now 800 years e the book 2 when him say shame na try exam to crash still now be fail we be re degree crown kited so nya no timi because e ready nya me Ghana be ni ye way Ghana be ni doctors o mama ye fake we so boy. We live to see.
Abuja for NDC abayin the churches come as a gumu 50 President Mahama so. ABC the least person na owo polling station ohun nyina scammers chese ke on etaban die. And every ya che Malik Basintale, acting CEO of Youth Employment Agency. Could you believe say this guy, this loud man fire campaign no wo didi ba o mi atem or a fraud? Yes, or a fraud. You see, Ghana ye mara HRSN, say president appoint you be as acting CEO of any parastatal before see a be confirming and so called civil service. Now omodenifa a processes mu normal mechanizing asana waba be substantive CEO. Now no Anna Mahama Ekatre Malik Basintale say for our or documents or certificates near they call civil service. And also the core. And a civil service for actual Akoma University of Ghana say Malik Basintale the certificate via Shemuse onya degree every a University of Ghana a Legon intimon train. I say a no crana say no crane no and on the 27th of May University of Ghana Penyah I reply civil service for I said Malik Basintale or call school no Ewo University of Ghana in 2014. That was the year he was enrolled. But because of football or some, because say akwane only madinti when Timian fulfilling all the requirements are so fulfilling here awarding a that degree no. Into when Timian graduate. Na sa certificate na ekura no. Enye University of Ghana for the issue ye. Into omu de omu nim ho asemoka. Hey! Me say we are in the year of fake certificates. Every year and Sansa was a one also a PhD, Yenti Bida or a doctor Yenti Bida. Edeba Rashid computer and also or PhD from King's Snow University at NSST and then Ababi drew Malik Basintale so. And there is one NDC MP in Parliament and also a masters wabra onye even undergraduate only degree impo. Now you see Malik Basintale the anakran is interesting. This guy Now, no, always shouting. But me, say, all this while you were a fraud. All this while you don't have even a certificate. And such an important state institution, youth employment agency, ya come at the assurance as a acting CEO. And he had the audacity to present a fraudulent document. This is criminal. You see, Mahama is serious, Sam. Based on our laws, said Malik Basintale, they're prosecuting him because he has engaged himself in fraud. He has engaged himself in scam. He doesn't need to sit in YE office even one day. Said, immediate effect. You're terminating an appointment as acting CEO. No more people be papa and yansa when the non concord. You see, all these characters are parading themselves at the corridor of power, taking key decisions affecting Melbourne, and they don't even have the mental capacity, they don't have the knowledge to even graduate from an undergraduate program. That is a shame. That is a shame. Ghana for you see, Maton Mokala TV, the black and white at Copa, a sign 40. That is what you have.
I was here for a man boy. I cost there. When I'm about to Doctor C. Zana's uncle for the native doctors. Oh, hey, I want native doctors. It's Mr. So now to say a boy, doctor say, man, my show cry. I'm native doctors. And I win him. Sananya doctor don't want to move you. This is degree no crash. I was about home. Hey! I was avoid the woman and Cassie. Hey! Sananya degree no kwa sorry, your doctor no kwa ni yo. PhD in the say ne osoronti yakum. I'm a native doctor. Sananya no kwa degree no crash. Musevia. Degree no Musevia. Ebu Boba. It is coming, do it.
I was here. At this stage, I feel shy for the NDC. At this stage, I feel shy for the NDC. How many of them are walking all over the place with fake certificates? How many of them are walking over the place calling themselves PhD holders? Meanwhile, they have not been able to satisfy the requirement of a PhD holder. How many of them are telling themselves, say, they are masters or even BSc holders, but meanwhile, they have not been able to satisfy their graduation requirements? Abusia, I didn't in America, sir. The breaking news, say, Malik Basintale, yes, your Malik Basintale, the guy who is throwing his weight all over the place. Abusia, UG has confirmed that Malik Basintale has not satisfied the graduation requirements for him to be issued a certificate. Abusia, enunti certificate ya Malik Basintale edekwaje appointment of YEA. Abusia, UG is confirming and placing on authority say that certificate is fake. Abusia, yenim say Malik Basintale or ye YEA acting as CEO ono neda eye Ghana ha yufufuo nyina ono neda omoano. Abusia, media sometimes I say ni youth eye president na oye no eye for ye NDC for. Abusia, ye fa no to ho. Abusia, minim say ansana yabema appointment ewa aban mu no. I guess you present some CV, and on the CV no oka say wuko suku ha why you say and no and a yejina so amao adjuma. Abusia, yes, I believe it's a Malik Basintale. He did that. Abusia, yes. Na afedie ye faichire akoye verification from a University of Ghana. Ye legon ha. Abusia, John Hopkins for cancer and say, and Crofubi mu ye fake. Abuchire suku cancer and say, and Crofubi mu ye fake. Ye legon ye so cancer and say, Malik Basintale certificate na ekutano no. Abusia, ye fake. Legon church mu say,
Malik Basintale ni school ase 2014 na abusia. Before you graduate as a student of University of Ghana, whether at BSc, whether at the master's level, or whether at the PhD level, you need to satisfy some requirements. University of Ghana say Malik Basintale has not fulfilled those requirements. Enunti omuma no certificate enye ye empo sa certificate na Malik Basintale ede kwakire eye enkrofo say ye man appointment ewo YEA no legon say omo de tutu omo certificate ho a abusia Malik Basintale atwa eye certificate no bi agum o say omo de eye seal na eye legon seal ebo eye certificate bia so it is issued by the University of Ghana, which makes it authentic, abusia. Malik Basintale no, it doesn't have the seal and the serial number, abusia. This is a criminal offense. This is a criminal offense. Obia Oko University of Ghana bia should be interested in this issue because Oko Sukun wo wakwa bre anya certificate, but Malik Basintale is taken through like or the koti kwan kwaji certificate wo would several years anya. Meanwhile Oko Sukun mpono abusia wanwie muntie ni yo wanwie abusia ede na eba Ghana yi ede na NDC for ede eba Ghana ede na NDC for de ba Ghana say fake certificate all over the place adai suku ku osewonko but ope sa suku ni certificate NDC for and I may say at this stage you people are shameless. You people, you are shameless. We are shameless. We are shameless because you are reducing academic credentials to the gutters. To the gutters. To the gutters. Abusia, breaking news wa ekoso ewo baabia ne say Malik Basintale NDC for esono soro no certificate or de kwaje appointment no legon say a certificate ya ono atna dem ena atwa omo de compare omo dia ene omo dia no ense baabia seal e boso no abusia. It is not from Legon. Me say NDC for every Yakopo NDC for and now we a fake doctor, and now we so called John Hopkins, and now we so called King Snow. Dr. Rashid Tankodie onokradie otina Afia create on one website King Snow University abusia ukohwehwa ni nyina it leads back to him. And this is for we shameless. We shameless. Just say
Try your mama ever comment section. Hi Penyah Blog Media.